Hi, I'm John Ambrosino, and I am so excited to be playing Bobby in the Lyric Stage Company's production of Company. It's kind of a thrill to get a chance to play such an iconic role in the musical canon and one of Sondheim's, great male characters. Something that is thrilling is this guy's got such an arc, and it's so meaty what he's grappling with in the show, and he's got these great scenes with these other characters and 3 or 4 beautiful songs to deal with that. So it's really a joy to get to go into the rehearsal hall every day and take this unbelievable material and get into it. So I'm thrilled about that. There are certainly challenges playing Bobby, one of them being that it's an iconic role. We've had unbelievable performances by remarkable actors, a lot of which are now recorded, both audio and now video. So people know those performances by Neil Patrick Harris and Raul Esparza, and of course the original Larry Kert. One of the challenges as an actor, when you know that so many people know those performances, is to be able to bring yourself into the role and to not hopefully be swayed by what you've seen in the past or what you know the role to have been performed as before. One of the things that is really exciting about working at the Lyric is I feel like I come home to an artistic home here in Boston at the Lyric. And the Boston theater community is so thriving and has a wonderful group of remarkable performers. And one of the great joys I get to experience every day is to go into the rehearsal hall with them and take apart this great Sondheim musical with them and figure it out, and then also interact with them personally and socially, which there's nothing more fun. So that's really exciting about being at the Lyric.
He always looks like he's keeping score. Who's winning, Robert?
Here is the church, here is the steeple. Open the doors and see all the crazy men.